If you have Arab friends or family, you know that when the fatura comes, it's a problem. مشكلة كبيرة. Who pays? I pay. Always. يعني it's not you pay, it's I have to pay. And it's a fight. No, I pay. No, I pay. And it's دايما مشكلة كبيرة. It's always a big problem and an argument. Let's take a look at the skit. This is for this video is meant for beginners who have started studying. I want you to focus on words that are repeated in the video. So we're gonna watch parts of the video together and focus on the words that are repeated even if you don't know the meaning. Okay, this is exercise number 1. Your main goal right now is just to pick out the words you're hearing over and over. Okay, let's watch. So everything's going well, laughing, having a good time, and then el fatura, the bill. So now هلا يعني things are really serious. الموضوع قلب جد. The situation turned real. جد serious. It turned serious. Okay. Anyway, this is gonna be a long scene. So I'll let you guys watch this. But I'm gonna fast forward a little bit. والله مشهد طويل. Okay. Okay, you start, listen, pay attention to what the words you're hearing right now. Here at the beginning. مستحيل, مستحيل, impossible or no way, مستحيل, no way. أنا حدفع, pay attention to أنا حدفع. أنا is I. Ha, whenever you hear the ha in spoken Arabic, Levantine particularly, and other places, ha is an indication of the future tense. Ha or rah. Okay, so you can say أنا حدفع or رح أدفع. What's going on there? Ha or rah, we're connecting it to the next verb, which is أدفع. أنا بدفع, but we drop the B, so it becomes أنا حدفع, I will pay, or أنا رح أدفع. So he's going to repeat this a lot, this guy. والله أنا حدفع. I swear I'm going to pay. والله أنا حدفع. والله أنا حدفع. He says it again. والله أنا حدفع. مستحيل بقول لك. مستحيل impossible. مستحيل. على الطلاق أنا ما بصير تحلف طلاق. خلاص enough. خلاص خلاص and then أنا so the 3 main words you're hearing, مستحيل, right? مستحيل, and then the phrase أنا حدفع, I will pay, and then خلاص enough. So these are words يعني put into context. خلاص يعني you obviously without listening to any words you kind of know what's going on, بس هلا with a little bit of words you know what kind of each person is saying. صح? The word لا, which is no, either la or la. You will hear la and then la with a glottal stop. This is repeated a lot. انسى الموضوع. Forget about it. Literally forget the topic or forget the subject, but this is how we say forget about it. انسى الموضوع. انسى الموضوع. والله أنا حدفع. خلاص. So I just wanted to kind of share this with you guys, and as a quick exercise, just to kind of when you're watching content in Arabic, whether it's shows, movies, or even songs, you're not going to understand everything. So don't be too hard on yourself, especially if you've been studying for a while. Don't be too hard on yourself and say like, oh, I'm not getting anything, I'm not progressing. No, try to really kind of narrow down what you're listening to, and try to really pinpoint the words that are being repeated, and then those are the words you probably want to focus on. These will give you more of an idea of what's going on. Here we hear like no way, we hear I will pay, khalas, that's it, we're done, we understand what's happening, right? So try to aim for the words that are repeated, words or phrases that are repeated. Then ask someone or look it up. I know it's a little bit tough for us to look up dialect, right? Words in dialect, but try using dictionaries online. Try messaging in the comments. Sometimes I do look at the comments and I create a video out of your questions. So بس هيك يعني listen to things, listen to content without stressing too much. يعني especially if it's passive listening. Sometimes you have to do active listening which is you're fully zoned in and you're reading a script and you're following along. But in many cases, if you're just trying to immerse and expose yourself to the language, don't stress too much. Be focused. Don't be like all over the place. Still be focused. Watch or listen to the content, the show, the movie, whatever the case, and try to pinpoint these words or pick up these words that are repeated. Okay, in this video we just saw some of these words. Okay, let me know if you've seen this in action, if you have any Arab relatives or friends and you've seen this in action. This happens a lot in my family. Maybe with my friends not so much anymore, but with family members this is very common. It happens. تمام. واحكوا لي إذا عندكم أي أسئلة. Let me know if you have any questions. بشوفكم الفيديو الجاي. See you in the next video.